The ultimate showdown: iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's 2025, folks. The smartphone battle rages on. In one corner we have the reigning champ, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In the other corner, the fierce challenger, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both phones pack serious heat. But which one comes out on top? Let's dive in and find out. This isn't just about specs on paper, it's about how these phones feel in your hand, how they perform in the real world. We're talking design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and everything in between. Buckle up, because this is going to be epic. Let the games begin. Stay tuned. It's going to be a thrilling ride. Design: dual titanium elegance versus Gorilla Glass toughness. First impressions matter. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a sleek, refined design. Its titanium frame feels incredibly premium. It's also surprisingly lightweight. Apple knows how to make a phone feel good in your hand. But hold on, the S24 Ultra isn't backing down. It rocks a rugged build, ready to take on anything you throw at it. And that Gorilla Glass Victus? Yeah, good luck scratching this beast. You get the feeling this phone can survive anything. So, who wins the design round? It's a tie. It all comes down to personal preference. Do you want elegance and sophistication? Go for the iPhone. Need something tough and durable? The Samsung has your back. Screen showdown: OLED brilliance on both sides. Let's dive into the displays. Both phones flaunt stunning 6.8-inch OLED displays. They both offer buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rates. Scrolling through your social feeds, watching high-octane action movies, it's a visual treat, no matter which phone you choose. But there are key differences. The S24 Ultra pumps out insane brightness levels. We're talking sunlight readable, no problem, plus that edge-to-edge display? Immersive, to say the least. The iPhone counters with incredible color accuracy. And then there's that dynamic island, seamlessly blending hardware and software. This round goes to Samsung. The sheer brightness and uninterrupted view are hard to beat. Performance powerhouse: A18 Pro versus Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Time for the real test performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max packs Apple's A18 Pro chip. This thing screams multitasking, gaming. It handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget those legendary iOS updates, keeping your phone feeling fresh for years. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't giving up without a fight. It boasts Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This chip is no slouch. It's a powerhouse for gaming and everyday tasks. And Samsung has stepped up its software game, with a near-stock Android experience and innovative features like DeX mode. It's a tough one. For sheer brute force and longevity, the iPhone takes the crown. But for cutting-edge AI features and a more open platform, the Samsung holds its own. So, which one will you choose? The decision is tougher than ever. Section 5: Camera Clash, Megapixels, Zoom, and everything in between. This is what you've all been waiting for, the camera showdown. The iPhone 16 Pro Max rocks a refined 48-megapixel main sensor. Apple's image processing is still king, delivering stunning photos with incredible detail and dynamic range. And let's not forget video. The iPhone remains the undisputed champion for video recording. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs some serious firepower, a massive 200-megapixel main sensor. We're talking ridiculous detail and zoom capabilities that will blow your mind. That 10 times optical zoom? Forget binoculars, you've got a super zoom camera in your pocket. This one is a draw. The iPhone excels in video and overall image quality, but the Samsung's 200-megapixel sensor and incredible zoom capabilities are in a league of their own. So, which one will you choose? The choice is yours. Section 6: Battery Battle Royale, Endurance versus Charging Speed. Let's dive into battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max keeps going and going. Apple's chip efficiency and software optimization are unmatched. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use without needing to reach for a charger. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a trick up its sleeve. Blazing fast charging. Samsung's 65-watt fast charging will juice up your phone in no time. And let's not forget reverse wireless charging. Perfect for sharing power with your earbuds or smartwatch. The iPhone wins on pure endurance, but the Samsung's rapid charging and reverse wireless charging are undeniably convenient. It's a trade-off. Section 7: Software Saga, iOS Walled Garden versus Android Openness. Software is the soul of a smartphone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs iOS 18, Apple's latest and greatest. It's smooth, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated with Apple's ecosystem. If you're all in on Apple, the iPhone is a no-brainer. The Galaxy S24 Ultra runs Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 5.1 on top. It's a far cry from the clunky Android interfaces of the past. One UI is polished, feature-rich, and highly customizable. Plus you get access to the vast world of Android apps and widgets. This one's a matter of personal preference. Do you value simplicity, security, and a seamless ecosystem? Go for the iPhone. Do you crave customization, flexibility, and the freedom to tinker? The Samsung is your winner. Ultimately, it boils down to what you prioritize in your smartphone experience. Section 8. The verdict, which phone reigns supreme? So, there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Two incredible smartphones, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Which one comes out on top? The truth is, there's no easy answer. The iPhone excels in performance, video recording, and battery life. The Samsung counters with a stunning display, incredible camera hardware, and fast charging. Ultimately, the best phone for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Are you embedded in the Apple ecosystem? Do you prioritize performance and simplicity? The iPhone is your winner. Do you crave customization, cutting-edge features, and a more open platform? The Samsung is the way to go. Whichever phone you choose, one thing's for sure, you're getting an absolute beast of a device. The future of smartphones is bright, and it's clear that both Apple and Samsung are leading the charge. So whether you're Team iPhone or Team Samsung, rest assured, you're in for a treat.